We're about to cruise through the oldest rainforest in the world and more diverse than the Amazon rainforest, and I cannot wait to show you inside. Good morning, you guys. So sorry that we just kind of fell off the face of the earth. We got to Bangkok and then our friends got here and then we got caught up getting excited, showing them everything that Thailand has to offer, that we really just wanted to make sure that they had all of our attention. But today we're going somewhere really, really cool. We're going to Khao Sok National Park. It's the world's oldest forest, and right now we're in Krabi, Thailand, which if you've watched our old vlogs, you know that this is our favorite place in the wide world. Click up here to see those videos. But we are doing a 2-hour scooter trek all the way to Khao Sok National Park. We're there, we're going to have 2 days of no internet and nothing but fun.
And we're excited. And right now, what's actually really awesome is the place that we're staying, the Krabi Forest Homestay, is actually gonna hold a lot of our bags in the front office. They are amazing. If you guys are coming to Ao Nang and No Parak Parak Beach, you should definitely come check this place out.
And they remembered us from last year. Anyway, gotta go, bye.
Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna base it, 'cause it only does this with you.
So sorry to have dropped off and not really shown you guys the ride here. We realized when we right as we sat down to eat and we're about to pull out all the camera gear, that we were really running like 30 minutes behind, and we have to catch here to catch a tour. So we just went ahead and booked it all the way through. But you guys got to see a little bit of that on the GoPro, but we have made it to Khao Sok Lake Company Ltd, which is the place that we're going to be staying. We're actually going to be staying in a glorified hut over the water. Apparently we have to use like a kayak to get back and forth from the room, and so it's supposed to be really awesome and it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. So I think today we're going to be doing a bunch of tours, have even a night excursion, and then tomorrow we'll have some relaxing time and we get to show you guys around inside the forest. And Annette has a lot more information than I do, so be prepared. Everyone getting their stuff out of the scooters before taking the journey over.
So fun fact about scooter journeys, even when you're not driving and you're able to just kind of like chill and mess around on your phone, it's still exhausting. Like you have like the wind and you have the sun and you have rocks pelting you, and it's an experience. I'm ready for a nap. Bye, Tokdika!
See you tomorrow.
Adventure time. Now it's a 10-minute ride to the pier, and then there I guess we have to pay like the national park fee, which is 300 baht. And then once we get there, we have a 1.5-hour tour through Lake Cheow, Badao. I don't know what the actual name is. Daniel's gonna write it down here because he's a genius. And then we're exploring, y'all. It's gonna be a great day. If we don't die first. I have a picture of the road to Pai, and bro, it looks like a kid drew with a crayon on a map. What? I swear. So we were on the way over here, and the water is this beautiful shade of blue. It is crystal clear. There's tons of boats, and there's cliff sides, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. I honestly didn't know what to expect. I had seen a few videos online talking about Khao Sok, and that not many tourists go here, but we also, like when we were doing our research, we realized that the reason why tourists don't come here is because it is just so difficult to like get here. Like it takes proper planning, and it's a lot more expensive oftentimes than like things that you would typically do in a day in Thailand. I think we spent $133 US per person for a 1-night stay here, but that included the transportation here, well, minus, not from Krabi, but we had to get to the office, but they get you to the lake, the floating bungalow on the lake, all meals while you're here, a regular safari, a nighttime safari, a hike to a waterfall, a morning mist boat ride, and now we've got to go. Apart from the fee that you get to pay for your tour, you need 300 baht to pay for a national park fee, which is what they use to keep the park clean, and I don't really know for what else, but we've got to pay it, so we're gonna go do that now.
3, 2. Yeah.
Ready? So So we have made it onto the boat, and guys, this place is so beautiful and so worth it. Literally, we're about to cruise through the oldest rainforest in the world and more diverse than the Amazon rainforest, and I cannot wait to show you inside. Guys, it's so cool being on Khao Sok Lake. It's crazy because we feel like we have the park to ourselves. There's literally no other boats around here, and it's just beautiful turquoise blue water, giant limestone cliffs, and good company. That's all that's around here, and it's glorious.
This is awesome. I don't think I've ever seen so many. Oh my God, check this out. Whoa. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. So. Good conversation. We're literally just coasting in between these enormous limestone cliffs. You feel such a beautiful breeze.
And listen to the water.
Oh.
This is actually heaven.
This is crazy. And we're supposed to stay on this water.
Did we get in a car accident on the way here? And this is just like what heaven looks like.
Right?
Yeah, I might have died on a scooter for real.
Yeah.
100%.
Every vlog that was on the internet that said that this place was so beautiful didn't even do it justice. We're about to go swimming.
Annette's about to go swimming.
Listen, Annette's quick to take her clothes off if it means swimming in this. Jump now. You ain't gotta tell me twice, y'all. Oh, okay. Sabay? No? Also, a huge thank you to A-Liter Shoes. They sent us these really awesome water shoes, which I've already tried and tested for you guys for like 2 weeks. They're freaking amazing, and I'm gonna go jump in the water with them. Calipunga. This is wonderful! Guys, the water's so clear. Apparently, right where I'm at, it's about 6 meters in depth, but it can go as deep as 80 meters in depth. Back here, the trees were part of the jungle, and the king, to create hydropower, turned them into a dam. And sorry, this is a freshwater lake, so there's no salt holding my buoyancy, so I'm a little out of breath. So guys, these A-Liter shoes, we are not getting paid for this post, but let me just rant and rave about how amazing they are. They literally feel like water shoes, except they look cute like sneakers. I actually wear them as my main sneakers. And for anybody who wants to try them, A-Liter was really sweet and awesome and gave us a coupon code called, I think, Chase15. So it's gonna be down in the description box below. So click it, grab your own pair, because seriously, they're so worth it. If you don't believe me, check out the 1,500 Amazon reviews that say that they're awesome. But I'm gonna relax now.
We literally just crapped our pants. So we parked off by the side of this like rocks, that way Annette can swim. And literally the wind, I guess, kicked off a bunch of stuff off the top of the cliff and just kind of like started barreling down, and all we hear is branches breaking. It's just like and it's getting louder. We're like looking up, and like debris starting to come off, and we're like, oh God, what's happening?
Our really awesome, hilarious tour guide just goes like, careful, crocodile in the water. Y'all, I got on this boat so fast. I'm like literally soaking the inside of the boat and my clothes. My clothes are soaked now. Hot nutty minutes. Hot nutty.
Okay.
We have made it to our bungalow and it's pretty nice. It's really basic, so it has like a mattress, a blanket, a couple of pillows. But guys, it's literally lakefront in the middle of the lake and you have a perfect view of the limestone cliffs. There's a place to get food and beer and coffee and tea. And literally the guy told us, oh, and for shower, just wear a life jacket, get in the lake, shampoo, soap, totally fine. Just shower in the lake. What an experience. So worth it.